today, 2 special treats. First special treat is we have a special person in the MC chair. Very special lady, Miss Emma. And Patrick's supposed to pull her in down there. There she is.
There she is.
Hey, everyone.
Hi, Emma. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Lovely. Our other special treat.
I'm sad you don't do the foot thing anymore.
I know. Well, I dropped the thing off like twice now.
Okay.
We are drinking the Glenfiddich 15 given to us by Chris McFate. So I'm actually very, very anxious to get into this one. I'm a fan of Glenfiddich, and I don't think I've ever had the 15.
We haven't.
Yes.
We have the 12, I think.
Yes. So Emma, while I'm pouring these out, why don't you
Yes.
tell us what to expect?
Okay, Glenfiddich 15-year-old Solera Reserve single malt Scotch whiskey is created using a technique pioneered by our Malt Master, and its warm, spicy flavors are transformed with the alchemy of the Solera Vat.
Alchemy.
Yes.
Alchemy.
Our Solera 15 is aged in European oak sherry casks and new oak casks. The whiskey is mellowed in our unique Solera Vat, a large oak tun inspired by the sherry. Now, this word looks like bodegas to me, of Spain
Probably
and
is
Portugal. Never emptied and kept half full of whiskeys since 1998, which means this whiskey is a little bit older than I am.
Interesting.
Yeah. So let me grab my.
So it's like a liquid crib sheet.
Indeed, indeed. Make sure you kick all the electronics back there.
Yep.
All right. And while you are coming back to collect, what are you wearing today?
I have on my Buchanan muted maxi kilt.
Ooh, very nice.
With salamander.
Indeed. All right.
Rocky, what are you wearing today?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked.
Hey, yeah.
I am wearing the Nordic Heritage tartan, which you can't see behind this little desk thing.
Yeah, I
right
think
there.
we got the order mixed up somehow, but that's okay.
And what are you wearing, my friend?
I am wearing Scott Green Weathered.
Beautiful tartan.
It's funny because it doesn't look green at all, but you know that's what it is.
That's what it's called.
That's what it is. This is my favorite woodland tartan. Actually, this is one I like to wear out in the woods.
Yes, indeed.
Yep.
Cool. All right. So, Emma, what can we expect on the nose?
Nose, yes. An intriguingly complex aroma. Sweet heather honey and vanilla fudge combined with rich, dark fruits.
I smell the fruits.
Definitely getting the fruits. I don't know about this. I don't know about this fudge jazz.
I get a little bit of the vanilla, maybe.
I kind of get the vanilla, but it's like vanilla to caramel.
Yeah.
It's in there, and it's in the middle there. You know what I mean?
Okay. All right. What do we have on the palate?
On the palate, yeah. So silky smooth, revealing layers of sherry oak, marzipan, cinnamon, and ginger. Full-bodied and bursting with flavor.
Oh, I got some up my nose. Oh, that burns.
I feel like my mouth is bursting.
It's like Starburst, but in whiskey form. Oh, I swallowed it and then like hiccuped or breathed or something, and it went up my nose, like up the back of the throat. Yeah,
Professional.
that's
The
Don't snort your whiskey, kids. Inside or outside.
It's sweet. It's very mild. Tiny bit of pepper on the sides of my mouth.
Yeah.
Not.
Is that just normal alcohol burn or is that pepper?
I think it's more alcohol burn, but
Emma, what are you getting there?
no, it's a little bit peppery on the end.
Yeah, that is alcohol for sure. First time I forgot to taste it. Yeah, I think maybe the cinnamon ginger I could pick up. I am not a big whiskey drinker.
Okay. Gave it a touch or two of water there, or a drop or two.
I think I overwatered it, but
Making a whiskey cocktail.
not intentionally.
Yeah.
Oh,
The water cut out all the pepper, all the alcohol burn.
Ooh.
Gone.
Yeah.
I'm getting more
Pour a
peatiness.
touch of water in it. Yeah.
I think some peatiness came out with the water, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
You too?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little that dirt kind of roughness on the tongue kind of thing. Okay.
A little bit of the old iodine. I'm going to start a whiskey. I'm going to call it Old Iodine.
like a real subtle on the iodine. The peat, yes. The iodine, tiny little bit.
It's pronounced iodine. It's Irish.
Sorry, Mom. The not enough to scare anybody off. If you're not a fan of like an Isla, it's not enough to. It's not going to kick you.
No, not at all.
Yeah, not bad.
It's not bad. I'm not amazed by it.
Yeah, I would want more out of it, but I wouldn't. But it's not bad. Like if this was a 12 or something like, it would be a very good 12 and okay 15. I'll put it that way. All right. Emma.
Yeah.
Give me a score, 1 to 10. Don't be afraid of the decimal.
Right.
Get in there.
Yep.
2 or below is like, hell no, wouldn't drink it. I'd refuse it. 8 or above is I would drive somewhere to go get it. I love it that much.
All right. Yeah. We'll say a 5.5. I don't mind the finish on it actually. But yeah,
Okay.
not my cup of tea necessarily.
Fair. It's not tea, it's whiskey.
But that's true.
Yeah.
That's why I'm confused.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You're like, this doesn't taste like tea.
It would make for one hell of a tea, that's for sure. 6.4.
Okay. You going to justify that or just leave it there?
It'll probably grow on me in the course of the evening. I like it. It's not particularly stunning in any particular way, but I thought the nose was really good when we first poured. I thought the fruitiness of the nose definitely came through for me, and more of the vanilla / caramel note is definitely there, which I like. So it's good.
Okay.
It's not knocking my socks off, but it's good.
Okay. I'm going to go 7.1. It's good. It's not spectacular, not over the moon. I'm not factoring in price with this. I'm just saying based on the flavor of it, based on the quality of it, 7.1. So,
Okay.
Cool. There you
There we
go.
go.
That's our review
And-
of the Glenfiddich 15. And thank you again to Chris McFate.
Thank you, Chris.
Cheers. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember, if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up on the video and go to our website, usakilts.com. We appreciate your support.